Right now guys, we're here at Mia's 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5 Hyundai Philippines. We will going to test drive it by Wifey. Ayan, kasama namin ulit Kuya Leo, Quezon Avenue, Hyundai Quezon Avenue guys. Then si Wifey yung magte-test drive. Mami, ready ka na ba? Alright, my wife, the top seats woman, Giselle Ting Polaroste. Tapos magte-test drive ng unit na to. Hintayin lang natin yung kasama natin na staff ng Hyundai test drive unit. Ayan. Ay, meron pa palang nauna sa atin.
Ano lang yun? Marshall din.
Ayun, yun, Marshall. Ayun. Tara. Let's go. Marshall. Isa pa.
Daddy, dali mo to doon.
Ayan. Sarap na ako. Okay, bro. Dahil, pahawak nga siya. Ayun. Right now guys, my wife is going to test drive this very elegant and very luxurious Hyundai Ioniq 5 by Hyundai. Mami, then wait lang ha.